Hi Godspeed, this channel is against the Big Bang and against the current view of astronomy. I want to speak about the last pictures from Hubble. Many pictures from Hubble, like in the last month, look like this. A cumulus of many stars, one near the another. There are a few groups of these stars, Messier 4 and Messier 16 and 17, and other kind of this kind of pictures. A cumulus of many stars together. What I want to tell you in this video is a short thing. Gravity is not a force of attraction. If the gravity is will to be attraction, this star will collapse one towards another. You cannot deny that you will see in the pictures that there are spaces between the stars smaller than the stars themselves. If you assignate any value to the point that is as a star, like in a pixel, you see that there are few pixels between them. So the distance between the stars are smaller than the star themselves. If you will believe that gravity it is a force of attraction due to mass, you will be wrong. But if it will be the case, these stars will collapse one towards another. So you cannot deny that they are roughly in the same place and there are smaller distances in between them. So I want to tell you that gravity, it is a force due to mass, but it is a force of impact, like this. Newton knew only one force. Force equal mass times acceleration. This force comports in this way rectilinear uniform to hit with the force due to mass, and in a circle. And Newton made the gravity by area, because this pendulum case, the earth is a case of pendulum. If you will imagine that an object stays in front of this, it will hit with a different force in the top of this pan and in the middle or here. So the force of this will different by area, will be different by area, but it is a force of impact. In the case of pendulum, it is discharging like this till zero, and the same vector discharges the movement and compounds again and accelerate and charge through force and mass charge the objects again, and the velocity of movement, and discharge the velocity until zero and charges. But on Earth it will consume, this movement will be consumed. This and all the movements are consumed on Earth. If you throw a rock in the air, it will be consumed, and the rate is given. This is why it is, if you will throw this rock and you have a table like here, the force of impact will different because the acceleration is smaller. So this is what it means. It is an area, force and mass, Newton per meter square. So that's why you are tricked. And Einstein said that Newton did not make these forces an instant, and this is the reproach of the Einstein that made to the Newton, that the Einstein said that why he treated this field like an instantaneous field, but this is wrongly understood even, because it is not an instantaneous field, it is an area of force and impact. Like from here to here, it is you can give an area, and from here to here you can give an area, like in a pendulum. So the force differs in an area like this. That's why in a circle like this. That's why, but it does not matter if it has a speed of connection. Einstein said that it has a speed of connection, and you might imagine that the maximum speed is the speed of light. But it is an area decreasing and increasing. But this field is a vectorial field, and it's charged with mass and force. So the sun hits the earth with a rotational field, with a force and charges with mass, that to maintain its eternal movement, like spherical round movement around the sun. So these stars that you are pond like, they are not gravitational system. If you do not have a rotational system, you do not have gravity. You do not have gravity. Gravity is a factor of mass, but not a static mass. A static mass doesn't have gravity. Gravity means to rotate, and it is a rotational system. If you understand that it is not attraction only from this video, it is not attraction, it is a force defined by an area that increases and decreases. So the sun hits with a rotational force the earth, and the earth hits the sun with a rotational force. It has a speed, and to maintain the same trajectory, knowing that the momentum of movement is consumed, so the movement will stop. It is an equilibrium, and the sun charges again through heating, through mass, because Newton did not knew any other kind. So if you are lying, you must understand that there is not another force, only of impact. Newton knew only an impact force. So it is not attraction in any way you can imagine. A rotational force, centripetal and centrifugal force, and a vectorial field, circular, that decreases with an area. So this is all I wanted to tell you in this video. That stars do not attract, and their distance is smaller than the star themselves. If the gravity will be any factor of attraction, they will collapse. So they do not have any spin, even they are static, but furthermore, they are not functioning like our sun. If not, they will burn one another. So you can deduce that they are cold. And I'm telling you furthermore that they are like this, and they are small, and they are inside our galaxy. Our galaxy is spherical and has one day with the speed of light. Believe me or not, I want to put this on internet. Maybe when this earth will be wake up from this sleep that they sleep, they will understand. And I will have this to prove that it is true what I am saying. Okay, so explain science that you will understand that our galaxy is spherical, has only one day, and the Big Bang is false, and we cannot see the universe, only our galaxy. So God bless. Goodbye. Follow my channel if you want to understand more. Goodbye.